Flat Christmas tree cupcake. It's time to decorate a Christmas tree cupcake. Hello and welcome back to our channel, Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. I'm your host, Yvette Perugia. It's great to have you here, whether this is your first time joining us or if you've been following along from the start. You're in the right place for all things cake decorating to business tips. We discuss it all. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you keep up to date. Today we're going to be decorating our cupcake with a piped Christmas tree design. We will be using our Signature Buttercream recipe for this episode. You can find the complete tutorial for purchase on our website. Just pop on over to our Instagram page at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette and comment the word buttercream on any of our posts and we'll send you the direct link. Otherwise, you could also click on the link below. Now for today's decorating, we have coloured our buttercream green using green gel colour by Loyal. To start with a nice flat base, we pipe some buttercream onto our cupcake using a large round piping tip number 1A. Then we've turned the cupcake upside down and pressed it gently onto a non-stick surface. I'm using a Flower Up square by Cover Up. I've then taken the cupcake and placed it in the freezer for 15 minutes while it's upside down to help speed up the buttercream firming process. Once the buttercream has set, I gently remove the flower square from the buttercream and to start piping my Christmas tree. I'm using the Petal Tip 104 from Loyal with the green buttercream. The colour for the buttercream is from Loyal's new gel range, which is easily available from Caker's Warehouse online. Make sure you use the discount code Enchanted10 for a 10% off all your orders. Gently start piping your ribbon, making sure you have the narrow part of the tip facing upwards. I have started about 2/3 the way up the cupcake and using a small back and forward motion for the top of the tree. Turn your cupcake around and continue to pipe the buttercream, getting slightly wider with each stroke. You can pipe the buttercream in one step instead of two if you would like. I've then added on a large sugar daiquiri into the base for the little tree stem there, and then also some sprinkles from Sprinkle Club and a gold star from Sprinks Baking to finish off the design. Thanks for joining us today and happy piping. Remember, go and hit the subscribe button and stay in touch with us. See you next time.